Hello, Networked Code community. My name is Tim Fayola. I'm a developer advocate here at Networked Code. And today we're going to be talking about the Nautobot public-facing sandboxes and what they can be used for by the community. So with that, let's go ahead and get to it. So you can reach the public-facing sandbox page by using the shortened URL go.nautobot.com/sandbox. If you go on that, that'll take you to the networktocode.com sandbox environments page. When you scroll down a bit, there are 3 environments we can talk about, and we're going to talk about each today. So the first one we're going to explore is the main branch. To access the main branch, you can click one of these links down here, try it now, or the main branch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it in a new tab. And that'll take us to the main branch public facing sandbox. Now, what is the main branch sandbox? This is the pure Nautobot code of the latest release on PyPy. There are no add-ons here. This is the straight dope, just the pure Nautobot code. This allows a user to explore Nautobot as a pure source of truth. So everything you see here is core Nautobot code and not from add-ons. This can give you a good baseline for what the core Nautobot product does versus Nautobot with add-ons. Okay. And with that, let's head back to our sandbox landing page. And now we'll go ahead and take a look at the main branch with Nautobot apps. Now we find ourselves back on the Nautobot sandbox environments page. Let's go ahead and take a look at the main branch with Nautobot apps. If we take a look at here, right click and open this in a new tab. Like the main branch sandbox, the main branch with plugins sandbox is the latest release on Nautobot release from PyPy, but it has a lot of popular plugins installed. So what this sandbox is meant to do is showcase Nautobot as a platform for running not just source of truth operations, but custom operations and applications enabled by the Nautobot plugin system. And here we have many of the most popular plugins. We have chat ops, we have data validation, onboarding tasks, golden config, and circuit maintenance. These are some of the more popular plugins that Nautobot can run. And so this can give the user a feel for Nautobot as a platform, not just a source of truth. So this speaks to the extensibility of Nautobot. That is the main branch sandbox showcasing plugins. Now let's head back to the sandbox environments page. And finally, we'll go ahead and explore the Nautobot Develop branch sandbox. The Develop branch sandbox allows users to explore features and fixes that are going to be released in the next version of Nautobot. So let's go ahead and take a look at this sandbox right now. This sandbox also has the plugins enabled and installed. And this lets the user explore new features and fixes that will be released in the next version of Nautobot. Now, how do you know what those features and fixes are going to be? You can find out by going to the Nautobot GitHub page and then going to the Issues tab here, and then go ahead and go to the Milestones tab. And if you click on the most recent milestone, which is this, and then click on the closed issues button down here, this will show you all the features and fixes that are in the develop branch. And then if any of these are very important to you, you can explore them in the develop demo nautobot.com sandbox. So we have 3 sandboxes, each for its own use case. For those of you that are interested in exploring this further, we have a few different resources for you. The first resource is the Network to Code channel on YouTube. We have an All Things Nautobot playlist. So if you go to playlists on the Network to Code channel, then just click on the View Full Playlist for the All Things Nautobot. And this will take you to the playlist with all the videos. There's a few good ones in here that you can use the sandbox environments for. There's the GraphQL API video, as well as a couple ChatOps plugins videos that we've done. And then there's also the device onboarding plugin video. So the sandboxes are there for an open world experience. You can feel free to experiment against them. You can go ahead and you can add elements, you can delete elements, you can automate against them. They're there as a functioning public facing sandbox for you to get a feel for how you can use Nautobot, whether it be just pure Nautobot, Nautobot with plugins, or the upcoming Nautobot, Nautobot development branch. Well, thank you for your time today. I hope this has been helpful. Feel free to hit us up on our Slack channel if you have any questions. Thank you.